Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's me, annoying as DiDi. And today I have another Amazon haul. Boom, 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 boom. So this is Smith Craft. But anyways, let's open this. So these are my measuring cups and spoon set. Alright, this is heavy. This is heavy. Ooh, let me show y'all. And I think this was like, ooh, y'all, this is so heavy. This is heavy. This is at least a pound. So I got measuring cups. And I think this is a 14-piece set. So that includes the rings. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups. Let me put my rings on. This is copper plated over stainless steel. Dishwasher safe. Ooh, girl, these are so pretty. And they got the little hammer indentation. So these are my measuring spoons. Ooh, I can't wait. And then you have this little nifty leveler. Yes, honey. So let me show you how. I was like, what is this for? And then I'm like, I know what this is for. So you know how like when you scoop up your material, your ingredients, and then you gotta like just slide the excess on off. Oh, girl! I can't wait to use this. And my daughter, she just recently said she wanted to make this little strawberry shortcake cake. So we're gonna be using these, and so now I can measure accurately, you know, and a little fancy. Look at this. Oh, now this is a good set. This is a good quality set. The other sets that I saw did not come with this much product. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 measuring spoons, 2 rings, and a leveler. That's a good buy. Especially with it being copper plated. And copper is, you see how heavy? Well, you don't, when you buy it, you'll see how heavy this is. But I'm really, really happy. Your girl can shop. Let me tell you, your girl can shop. You want to shop? You just let me know. Let me know. I'll show you the good deals too. So, copper cookingware is really hard to come by. They don't make a lot of copper cookingware. But I'm really, really happy with this. And I got to put this down because it's really heavy and it's hurting my arm. So I'm not going to take this apart until it's time for me to bake. Okay? I need this to remain spanking brand new. Okay? So this is going to go back in its Smith Craft box. And then I'm going to put it in my cabinet with all my baking. Sorry about that. My SD card had gotten full. So, as I was saying, I'm going to leave this in the box until it's time for me to use it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy this product when you guys get it. Because I know I am. And you know I'm going to make a video of using these. Okay? I have to. I got to. Just for you. But y'all, I appreciate you guys being here for me. I appreciate you guys watching. We are almost at 4K subscribers. What? Yes, baby. And we are monetized. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I still didn't get my first check yet. You know. But I've been slacking on the videos. So, you know how they go. But y'all, I had fun making this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I've been so busy today. And I'm tired. I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna watch TV. I'm gonna take a nap. So, we're gonna go. I love y'all. Thank you for being here. I can't say that enough. I appreciate y'all's support. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share. Tell a friend. So until next time, baby, it's Annoying As DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.